Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you all the places where you can sell your Pi coins. So let's get started. Now, as you can see from my wallet history, I already sold or transferred some Pi coins to an exchange and then sold them. So there are currently 5 KYB verified exchanges where you can sell your Pi coins. And I'll put them on the screen right now. So at the moment, these are all the exchanges where you can sell your Pi coins. Now, in my case, I sold my Pi coins on Bitget, and if you guys also want to sell your Pi coins on Bitget, I will leave my referral link in the description below, through which, if you register, you will get $15 of Bitcoin once you create your account. So I used Bitget because it's the largest exchange of all of those, and it's the most reliable one. Also, it's the easiest one to create an account on and set everything up. So if you guys want, you can also use Bitget. But nevertheless, Pi is currently available on these 5 exchanges and you can sell your Pi coins there. So I hope that this answered your question, and that's guys where you can sell your Pi coins. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.